We're about to put these two chefs to the challenge. The Lord of Hell's Kitchen versus the Mayor of Flavortown in a macaroni cheese showdown. Let's see if it's gonna be a kitchen nightmare or if Flavortown has gone sour. What in the Hell's Kitchen Flavortown freeze over is happening, boys? Are you doing all right? Are we feeling okay? Do you need to talk to someone? Why are you in the freezer section? Now, Guy, I expect this out of you.
Good call, Meatball. Let's get down to business.
But Gordon, seriously, what are you doing, man?
Then we bag it, chill it, then we reheat it in the microwave.
Right.
Does that make sense?
Is this Michelin star worthy? If you walked into one of your restaurants and they offered to serve you this, would you order it? I need answers, boys. We've invited a very special chef to be on the show tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce Chef Samsung the Microwave. Fresh from his job at Olive Garden, he's here to help us cook up these two 5-star macaronis from the freezer section. So the two very different types of mac and cheese. We got a traditional 4-cheese macaroni by Gordon over here, and then Guy's rocking this crazy like ground beef and pork Sloppy Joe macaroni and cheese thing.
Chicken inside of a duck, inside of a turkey, inside of a rabbit, inside of a pig, inside of a baby cow, inside of a big cow, inside of a horse.
They both cost about the same, about $7 a piece. Chef, you ready? Chef's ready. Let's do this. We're gonna follow the 5-star instructions on the back of the box. Let's pop them out of the box, see how they look. All right, there's Gordon's. It's got a nice firm bowl. Gonna vent it there. Gordon's ready to go. Guy, what we got? Whoa, the bowl's kind of flimsy and it's pre-vented for us, so we don't have to vent it ourselves. Chef's on the case. Guys, you gotta lift the film and stir and then cook it for 1 more minute. Film lifted. Oh my God, it just looks like a goopy, gooey mess. Yep. Back in. 1 more minute. All right, here they are in all their glory. Gordon's 5-cheese macaroni. Guy's Sloppy Joe macaroni. It's like soup. It's like a cheesy macaroni helper kind of cheesy thing going on there. Gordon's does, you can actually tell the difference in all the cheese because part of it's like all hard and crusted bottom and then the rest of it's like this creamy cheese. What in the, like, you brought hell to my kitchen, Gordon. What is it doing that? What the Take a look at these boxes. Guys, you signed off on this. I just want you to know that your signature is right there.
Well, buckle up. Put your sunglasses on wrong.
And Gordon, your packaging looks like it's from a grocery store brand. What the You didn't sign off on it, but your face is there. What the Which one should I try first? Icky Bicky Soda Cracker, Icky Bicky Boo. Icky Bicky Soda Cracker, Gordon, I choose you. I'm gonna bite into this crazy lump of stuff going on here. It really is just kind of like a thick fried cheese layer holding it all together. It actually does taste pretty darn good. What the hell? What the hell is up with this clump? I mean, as far as macaroni and cheese is concerned, it's pretty good. I can do without the clump. Flavor's there, tastes homemade, even though Chef Samsung made it for us. Pretty sure you don't have any microwaves in any of your restaurants, Gordon.
Microwaving them. Come on.
There's not even oven instructions on here if you wanted to make it in the oven.
God's sake.
Let's try Guy. Sloppy Joe. Sloppy Joe. Is this gonna transport me to Flavortown? We're about to find out. It doesn't really much taste like anything. It's not punching me in the face with flavor like I expect from a Flavortown.
Oh, it's on like Donkey Kong.
Guy, you signed off on it, man. I keep eating it though, so it's not bad. It's different. Kind of has a Chef Boyardee kind of feel to it. The king of the original store-bought pasta, Chef Boyardee, yeah?
I am Chef Boyardee. Perhaps you have seen my picture on Chef Boyardee products at your grocer.
Ask for Chef Boyardee's spaghetti dinner. Only about 15 cents a serving.
Chef Boyardee? Oh, how do you say it? So who wins? Flavortown or the Master Chef here? I mean, Gordon's actually tastes like real macaroni and cheese, so gotta give it to Gordon on actually, almost seemingly, in some way, shape, or form, replicating the potential of having homemade macaroni and cheese. I could do without the clump. Flavor spot on. Guy, thanks for the macaroni and cheese beef Ferroni soup. All right, boys, come here. Come here for a second, let's chat. Is this really necessary? Is the mortgage behind? Someone go to Vegas and accidentally blow all their money? What's going on here? I want you to know that I'm here for you. That if you need anything, just give me a call. Why? Why, guys? Why is this necessary? This is wrong. Chef Microwave should not be making your food, huh?
Is there anything today that I ate that wasn't microwaved?
Order up.